Hello friends, I am Dr. Balasaheb Shinde. Today I am going to deliver a short lecture called Modal Auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are used to indicate mood. They indicate speaker's or writer's attitude in what he says or writes. They are used as helping verbs with another verb to change its meaning in some way. A change in the use of modal auxiliary changes the meaning of the sentence. They never come single. They come with main verb. For example, we will see a change in the use of modal auxiliaries change the meaning of the sentence. He speaks English fluently. He can speak English fluently. In the particular sentence, can shows ability. He may speak English fluently. May shows possibilities. He should speak English fluently. Should shows advice. He will speak English fluently. Will shows certainty. He must speak English fluently. Must shows obligation, compulsion. Then he used to speak English fluently. Used to shows habitual action in the past. Then they indicate speaker's mood. Also, writer's attitude in what he says or writes. Then uses of modal auxiliaries. Can shows ability. For example, he can drive a car. Could used to show ability in the past. I could swim across the river. Uses of shall. Shall is used to show command or promise. Example, you shall not smoke in the room. It is example of command. She shall help us. It is example of promise. Should shows advice. Example of should. You should be honest. Will shows determination. Example of will. I will not see him again. Would shows to express habitual action in the past. Example of would. I would study for hours. May shows to express permission. Example, may I use your phone? Then might shows weak possibility. Example of might is, it might rain today. Might is also used polite request. Example, might I use your phone? Must shows compulsion or obligation. Example, you must prepare e-lectures. Used to shows past habitual action in the past. I used to go to the temple. Ought to shows moral duty. Example, we ought to help the needy. Need shows necessity. Example of need. Need I go there? Then last, dare shows have the courage. Example, how dare he talk like that? Then questions for practice. Do as directed. First question, we should protect the environment. Use a modal auxiliary compulsion. He must go to jail. make it less definite. Third question, I used to go into the villages, use would. Fourth question, you can stay at a lodge, state the function of can. And last, an animal may change surrounding, use the modal auxiliary showing ability. In this way, my dear students, these models are used especially in everyday communication. They indicate attitude or mood of the speaker. English learners must learn the uses of models. Thank you for watching.